ngingena kudla ngihambe ngiyokomalume ihlale ngibaqolozele emehlo malume ephuzithini esinkwa isandla mashona phansi amehlo amashona phansi masemlomeni semlonyeni amehlo aphakama athi umalumekazi musuqolozela umuntu omdala kanti akazi ngilambile ngilala abafethu benokudla belene intombi zabo uma engekho kanti ngilambile kanti ngelinye ilanga kuzodlula umusa wadlula lo musa kanti uyangibona uJesu ngihlupheka wangibona ngibizwa ngengane ehlahla wangibona ngibizwa ngevezandlebe ngasebenzisa ithuba uma wami engikhulisa ngemali esiqatha nekagavini kanti akazi ukhulisa umqotho akazi ukhuliswa the man of God wathi umoya engcwele NJ Sithole you are the father of many nations khona into evalelwe la ngaphakathi kwakho noma ungayibukela phansi mtshela uSathane it is just for a moment nokuhlupheka it is just for a moment it is not permanent it is just for a while soon and very soon the favor of the Lord shall come upon me when the favor of God comes upon me he will change me I will receive my promotion day pants athi umhlabelo ungithatha la angibekela asisusela asibekela unobubele ngalinge ubukele phansi umuntu wefavor ngoba ungamgcina semnyango kanti amazulu asempromotile ayombeka ngaphezulu yangibamba indlala kanti hayi to Songs of Songs chapter 2 verse 2 like a lily among the thorns so is my loved one njengomnduze phakathi kwameva sazalelwa emeveni la emeveni kusekhaya ingakho nenkosi yethu yafa kumqhele wameva ukuze thina masihlabhekana nameva ubuhlungu sebathathwa wathi moyingcwele bahlala ngobhlukwe linye ku-under yinye ngoshati linye kanti uJesu uyangibona noma bengakubukela phansi njathi ngishumele kuwo okwamanje izinto ngathi ayilungi okwamanje ubona izinto zikhambela kabi kuke kwaba kamnandi empilweni yakho kodwa ngokuhamba isikhathi kwashintsha nakade bekukhonzile abathi sithandaza kanye nawe bakulunguza ngamafastela bathi uphi uNkulunkulu walomuntu ungakhathazeki njengobona izinto ngathi ziyabheda uNkulunkulu wenza izitha zakho zisondele zihlekise ngegama lakho athi uPsalms 42 njengendluzele yomela amanzi kanjalo umphefumulo wami womela uNkulunkulu uthi bayabuza usuku lonke bathi uphi uNkulunkulu wakhe na athi kodwa inyembezi zami zaba ngokudla kwami day and night ngoba university students from high schools always when they write their tests and examinations they use pens but the students of the University of Calvary, University of God, the children of God, always when they write their tests and examination they don't use pens but instead of the pens they use tears. They use tears. They use tears. Ungahlekisi ngami sitha sami. Noma ngawa kasikhombisa ngizovuka 7 times. Ungakhathazeki njengobona behle besondela kuwe. Psalms 23 uyabasondeza. He prepares a table. Ngiyathanda ukubona lo Jesu. Musuphela amandla, musukhathala. Don't give up until the devil gives up. Don't give up until the devil gives up. Bayeke bakuhleke, bayeke bakuhleke. Uhlabela ingoma thina kuba meva ngiwanyathe lapho ngiyamba angiwanake